Hello, welcome back to my channel. What?
Hello everybody.
Hello everyone, welcome back.
Do you want me to hold the script here?
Yeah. Oh, I've got an itchy bite on my leg. Ooh. Yeah, it's Monday morning now. It's 12 o'clock and we're just back from the gym, got a shirt and stuff. We need to do a massive thing of laundry, like huge. And we need to top up our phones. Oh my god, I actually can't stop scratching my leg. So yeah, it also gives to rain today, which is fantastic because I've got my bikini on. I want to sunbathe. I feel like I've lost all my tan. I always wear factor 50 on my face, that's why my face is like white, but I feel like I've lost my colour and I really want to sunbathe, and it's gonna rain today, so don't know what I'm gonna do. But yeah, then we're gonna go for breakfast at a place called Machinery. You want to go up?
Yeah,
I completely forgot to show my food when it was sat down, that's why I just showed kind of the end, but everything in Machinery is 40,000, which is what, Ryan?
£2.
About £2, and that omelette was delicious. Right, we're going to the spa here now. Dougie's going to get like the ear wax candle thing. I'm not really sure what it is. I think they put like a candle in your ear and it, like, I don't know, not quite sure. But he's been saying he wants to get it done for ages, so he's going to go today. And I might get a wee neck and shoulder massage. I'll see, not sure. I'll probably end up just getting it back because that's what I always get, but we'll see. You may as well get membership in this place. Not that much. Tuesday morning now, eat my breakfast. It always gives you rain like all day on the app. Like it's at like 90%, like all day. And I really hope it doesn't, because it was raining yesterday too and we didn't get to do anything. So we're just gonna have to see what we're gonna do today. I woke up last night and needed to do the toilet at like 3. I was awake a bit after that because I tried to think about food. And then it got me thinking, oh my god, I have so many other places that I love to eat at now that I didn't include in my video. So I'm thinking, should I do a part 2? Or my favourite places to eat? But yeah, we're just going to the gym now. And let's pray it's not raining when we get back, so we can do something. I am literally head to one sweat. My arms. We had to do burpees and thrusters, 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. Whatever that sequence is. As many rounds as possible, 13 minutes, everyone do it and sweat like me. Okay, so it has stopped raining now, but it does give my phone to rain like all afternoon. We're going to go to Bali Bounce and bowling, so isn't it across the road from Finn's Rec? And it's 200k for an hour bounce and an hour bowling. It's like a tenner roughly. So yeah, we're just going to go there. We're not sitting in the house today again. We're going to be active. What is wrong with my throat? I'm going to have fun. And hopefully no injuries.
Fingers crossed.
Also the shoes, please. Decent lad. He just goes, video this, I'm going for a strike. Oh my god, LOL. Right, we're on our second game now. Jiggy has got 3 strikes and 4 spares, and he's on his last one, so it gives him another one. I'm on 50 points, he's now on 100 and... Oh, he bottled the last one. I wasn't recording you.
Do a forward flip.
actually tiny, like it really wasn't that big, and there was loads of waves, and like you could obviously only bounce on one trampoline at the one time. Do you know what I mean? So like if there's any more people, it would have been shit. But it was fun for like 15 minutes, and then it kind of got a bit, do you know what I mean? But the sweat is real. That is disgusting, but it's so warm. It also did not rain. And not the only reason we done it, but we were like, oh, we're going to do something because it's raining. Didn't rain. Pure sunny. Roasting outside. Love that. Okay, we're in a place now that does baked potatoes. How amazing. It's called Spud. I'm going to get the cheese and beans. Classic, you know. So I'll let you know. Okay, this is my cheese and beans, and Dougie got chicken, bacon, mayo. Lovely. That was delicious. Dougie.
Nice. They look great.
Highly recommend. This is so weird. The water's usually never out this far. Like, can you see all them rocks and stuff? They're usually always covered. I just had these plats on it and they're from yesterday. But this weather, oh my god. You would think it was like a day to come out there. Obviously it's still 30 degrees, still roasting, but looking out, it's so dull looking and cloudy. Where is the sun? We're meant to be like getting out of rainy season and it just being sunny all the time. Look at me, look how pale I look. I need the sun. I'm like, I just want to lie and sunbathe. I want to go to the beach. I want to lie by the pool. That's all I want to do. What's that TikTok? That's all I want. Back from the gym, ignore this. I was in the middle of doing like good mornings, right, and had the barbell on my back, and then I went to lift it to put it round and it slipped out of my hands and it fell on my foot, and I had no weight on it obviously. Like if I had weight it wouldn't have hit my foot, but it hit both the top of my feet and they're pure bruised. And I'm like, I really wanted to go to Muay Thai the more, but like I can't go with bruised feet because like you're just kicking constantly, like that would just be so sore. So everyone pray that they don't actually become sore and I can go tomorrow, because I don't want to do CrossFit because we're doing running and it's just, guys, it's not for me. I've tried it, it's not for me. If it's too sore I obviously will do it, like, but typical. It's also not sunny today again, so I think we're just going to go sit in a cafe on our laptops. I have nothing to do, like, but I'll find something to do, edit this week's vlog or something. Oh my god, I tried to record a video there the other day and I hated it, so I was like, right, I'll record it again. Recorded it there now on my camera, and honestly, you would have thought I recorded it on like a fucking Nokia phone. I'm not even joking. It's so shit, and like the lighting's pure bad, and I'm just like, oh my god, should I not put this up again? I have to record this again. And I'm like, is this just a sign not to put this video up? Do you know what I mean? It's like the video is basically like prices of everything here and like how much it costs like to live here. Does anyone even want to see that? Because I'm gonna have to record it again because this video is just shit. But yeah, I'm going for dinner now. Dougie is away to AFL and I'm gonna get sushi. Buzzing. I actually probably need to go like right now because I need to get a go check. Okay. I'm on the treadmill and Dougie doesn't know where I'm at, and I can see him out there looking away to see where I'm. He's here looking at his phone, not I'm here looking at Guys, the sun is finally out, can you see? Oh, unreal. So we're just back from the gym, haven't even shared, going straight to the beach. Disgusting, but I'm gonna get in the water anyway, so I'm gonna be rotten. It does give rain later, but I don't see how because there's like no clouds. Well, in saying that, there is some there, but they're not like dark. So we're just gonna go enjoy the sun while we can, and we'll worry about everything else later.
Oh, you have to come on the model. Come on. Come on.
Will he jump up? I don't know if he will.
Oh.
Oh.
Don't worry, but. Hmm? Nice. Well done. It's all gone.
Guys, we got some colour. Definitely a bit red. Doogie's actually a bit sore, aren't you? Yeah, we just like sunbathed all day. I finally recorded that video that I was complaining about yesterday. And now we're going to go for dinner. We're going to a place called Smoke. I think it's just called Smoke. I think it's like a barbecue thing. Haven't been before, but we'll see. So I'll show you it when I get there.
Eating a barbecue.
Well, I'm gonna have like halloumi and stuff. I'm not gonna have any meat, obs.
Oh, you're drinking on the Sunday.
That's the only meal I had on the Sunday.
Just back from dinner there. That place was actually really, really nice. And it was like right beside where we live, and I've never noticed it before. But they had like nice big benches, so it'll be good for like a big group and stuff. But yeah, I'm just home there now. Doogie actually went out for a few drinks with one of his friends. He had 2 drinks at dinner, and he's like, oh, I wouldn't mind another few. So he's way out. I stayed in and watched the Kardashians, and now I'm gonna edit my video. The weeks are honestly just flying, and I'm like, oh my god, it's Friday tomorrow, and I haven't even edited this video. Well, I've edited a bit of it, but like, do you know what I mean? And I'm like busy all day Saturday, so I'll not get a chance to do it then. Good morning. It's Friday now. We're doing overhead squats in the gym this morning, which I've never done before. So that's gonna be interesting. I'll probably just be doing the bar. And then I'm gonna booty after, so I might film a bit of booty. I don't think I ever have. Show you like this type of stuff with you. But again, I'll see the vibe. Oh my god. Look where these are dirty at. Right there. Oh, what the hell? Like, I'm wondering, was that me? Because to be fair, my hands do get dirty at the gym and I just like rub them everywhere. But like that didn't come off in the wash, and like that is in the worst position. Can I not wear these? Is that bad? Is it bad? You're the one who can probably see. I can't. I need all the gym clothes I have because I really didn't I really didn't bring enough. As you can see, I wear the same stuff every single week. I had to change. Those shorts were actually bogging at the back, like properly bogging, and it's completely my fault because all I do is just rub my dirty hands all over it at the gym. I'm going to take it to the laundry today and ask her, can she try and get those stains out, because I do not need to be a lit pair of shorts down. Look at the health of this chicken, poached eggs, avocado. Him didn't even do a session today either. He done his yo-yo test. What was your score? Or is that a secret? He and his friends are doing a shit shirt night after their match. Excuse the sweat of me, I've been sunbathing. Are doing shit shirt night on Sunday after their soccer match. What do you see the shape of Dougie's shirt? Is it massive?
I know, it's completely huge. They only have double XL.
That's weird because usually I'm small.
I know.
Do you catwalk?
Huh?
Catwalk. Yep.
Take it off before sweat.
Duh.
Size of them wheels.
I don't know. Guys, we've somehow ended up here, but how long's it been?
I'd say over a month.
I think mine's has been like 3 weeks.
Oh, you're home by yourself.
Yeah, but it's well deserved. Carbon up for tomorrow, you know. Morning, so it's Saturday morning now, and I'm just up. Just got ready there, and I'm gonna go for breakfast. So I'm actually doing that Olympic weightlifting seminar today. Remember I spoke about it like a few weeks ago in my vlog. So I'm doing that for most of the day today. So yeah, exciting. I'll let you know how I get on after. I'll probably not be very good. I'll probably take some videos, but depending how good I am, if I'll put them in or not. Breakfast here now, and I need something that's gonna like fill me for ages because it's 11 to 3. So like I can't be hungry like halfway through. I don't want to be finishing it like starving, do you know what I mean?
Gonna go wider with the grip there.
Once you've developed a good range of motion, we then need to strengthen it and stabilize it. And that's kind of like level 2, if you like, when it comes to mobility. And that's when we need to start adding an element of load. Because being mobile in a stretched position versus being mobile with 100 kilos in the bottom position of the snatch are two very different things.
It's actually Saturday night now. Didn't film anything when I got back from that class, but it was actually really good. Humbled me for sure because I am a complete weakling and I was the weakest person there. But anyway, we're going for some drinks now. There's like free cocktails in Wanderlust Cafe for all the members, I'm nearly sure. So we're gonna go there, and God knows where the night will take us. Free mojitos. So it's Sunday morning now. We're just back from getting some breakfast at Crate, and I'm just gonna spend the day editing this video and uploading it. Dougie has a soccer match later that I haven't decided if I'm going to yet. Don't know if I can be bothered, but I'm just gonna close this video off now. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.